Abandoned for over a decade, this legendary Toyota Camry was left to rot in the dark. But today, we're bringing it back to life. That we are dealing with 10 years of caked-on dust, mold, and mystery grime. Trust me, it takes a whole lot more than a simple vacuum to save these classic seats. We're deep cleaning everything, from the front frame and back bumper to the heart of the engine itself. People easily forget just how bulletproof these legendary engines really are. All it took was a fresh battery, some new plugs, and a total fluid flush, and just listen to that. She purrs like it's day one. We took this car from a forgotten, rusted relic to a pristine daily driver. The moral of the story: never count out a classic. Hit that follow button to check out the final reveal and see the full transformation.